Welcome to our video, where we will discuss the health benefits of molasses. Let's get into it, shall we? Probably an ingredient that your mum or grandmother used, but can be found in any grocery store, is Blackstrap Molasses. Because it is produced when sugar cane is processed into sugar, it was a go-to for sweetening baked goods back in the day. And although the refined sugar produced alongside it is considered unhealthy, molasses contains a ton of minerals and nutrients to support your health. These include iron, calcium, magnesium, potassium, manganese, vitamin B6, copper, and selenium. Molasses also has no fat, cholesterol, and barely any sodium, so it can be eaten by diabetics. By consuming just 1 tablespoon a day in warm water or milk, you will see the following benefits. Number 1. Combat stress. A common vitamin that is recommended by health experts to improve your mood and ease the effects of stress are vitamin B. This vitamin is found in Blackstrap Molasses and therefore can help your brain and nervous system to function properly. Number 2. Improve sleep. High in calcium, which helps your body produce melatonin, Blackstrap Molasses helps to cure insomnia. By working with the magnesium in molasses, it helps you to feel tired. Number 3. Maintain strong muscles and bones. Everyone knows that calcium is essential for strong bones. Blackstrap Molasses is high in calcium. Just 1 tablespoon of the molasses can provide your body with over 10% of your daily value of calcium. Number 4. Improves heart health. Because the molasses is high in potassium, iron, calcium, and magnesium, it can help to control heart palpitations, high blood pressure, and cholesterol. Because it also contains vitamin B6, which helps prevent blood clotting, taking Blackstrap Molasses on a regular basis can help reduce the risk of stroke. Number 5. Gives you healthy hair. Along with consuming Blackstrap Molasses, you can apply it directly to your hair. Here's how. Mix 1 tablespoon of Blackstrap Molasses in 1 cup of lukewarm water. Apply it on your hair and scalp and let it sit for 15 minutes. Shampoo your hair as usual. Repeat once or twice per week. Number 6. Prevents cancer. It is also believed that Blackstrap Molasses can also be used to prevent and treat certain types of cancer. This is because the molasses contains selenium, which helps your cells to defend themselves against cancerous cells. Selenium can also help to protect your body against harmful contaminants, such as mercury, cadmium, and silver. It can also help to eliminate cancerous cells and slow the growth of any tumours. Number 7. Increases stamina and energy. Since it is made from sugar, it offers a temporary energy boost when it provides your body with carbohydrates that are converted into energy in your body. Number 8. Cures constipation and improves other digestive problems. Because of its high magnesium content, it helps to relax muscles and bring water into your stool, making it an effective treatment for constipation. Number 7. Prevents anemia. Blackstrap Molasses is a great source of iron and therefore can be essential to someone who has iron deficiency. 1 tablespoon of Blackstrap Molasses immediately provides your body with 15% of your daily value of iron. Number 10. Reduces menstrual problems. Blackstrap Molasses contains minerals such as calcium and magnesium that can help relieve menstrual cramps. The iron in the molasses helps to reduce the chances of becoming anemic because of the blood loss, and it also helps to control heavy bleeding. Let us know in the comments if you have ever tried Blackstrap Molasses. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and share it with your friends. For more amazing natural health remedies, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.